guys, so my name is Victoria Munoz and today we're going to be changing the oil of my car. It's been asking me for a few weeks, so I think it should be time to fix. My dad's going to be helping me doing it. He's going to teach me how to do it throughout the process. So just stay tuned and I will teach you how to do it.
The thing that we have to do is realize that this is a Ford Fiesta 2012. Every car has its own different ways, so we're just going to explain the generics that you have to do. The first thing is jack up your car, get some protections in your hands, and get all your tools. So we have the oil container, because you can't spill oil, that's against the law. And then you have to have the tools to jack to get the car up, because you have to get behind your car,
under your car.
and then you have to go and buy the oil and buy the filter. Follow the car instructions to do that. Every car has its own different regulations. So the first thing that you have to do is drain the old oil. And for that, you're gonna get the container behind your car. We're gonna show you what to do once we are there. After that, you have to replace the filter. Once you take the filter out, you put the new filter in, you close down there, and you put the new oil. So those are the generic steps. Now we're gonna go one by one.
So we just put the jack in under the car and we place it on a area that would it hold the would it be in top of the metal part fully, so it doesn't damage the bottom of the car. And then we place this right here for extra support. Well, this is like the thing that you're gonna leave. You can either take this one off, and it's safer if you leave them on, just in case this slips down for some reason. And now we're gonna go under and take the screw to then take the oil back. The car. Now we have the filter right here, and then we have the where the oil is, which is like the stomach, and we have transmission next to it. First thing, of course, you have to identify where the things are, and you have to find this screw right here, which is gonna be the one that we're gonna be taking off, so the oil comes out. So when the oil comes out, it comes like a little turn, like it goes like this, goes over it. It doesn't go straight down, but it goes like a little. Yeah, like you're peeing. It goes like a little loop. So yeah, so now we're gonna take the screw, but we also placed that container right a little bit under, but we also put it where if it moves to that way, it's gonna be still under. It's gonna go under the hole, because it's right here. And then we found which one was the one for this scroll that we have to be taking off, which is this one. And this is, what is it, Dad?
Half.
It's a half inch. So it's gonna be placed right here. And then I'm gonna like move it, like take it off, and it's gonna go out. And then when it's like really loose, we're gonna take it out, so it's gonna go over like that. Let's see, I think. Actually, I think it's pretty loose. Lo jalo de una vez, tú dices, con la tablajita. So it's getting pretty loose right now. So right here. There we go. So now just wait until it's all gone, and then afterwards we're gonna change the filter, which is right here, and you get those together. The oil. Okay, so basically this is the head of the filter, like it's kind of like a screw. You're gonna put it on top of it, on the side of it, and then you're gonna place this in the other side, and that's kind of how you're gonna be able to remove the filter. Then we're gonna place this new one, which is right here, on the one that's currently, which is right there. And we're gonna be removing it from the bottom part. Let's go. Uh-huh. Okay, so now it's hooked. So as you can see.
Eso va a botar un poquito de aceite, no bota la cabeza abajo.
Okay, so what I used to do, I placed the screw in top of the oil filter, and now I'm gonna take it, move it. This is kind of not working. Papi, es muy grande esto. Oíste.
No agarra. Ah, por así.
What I used to do, I placed the screw
well, it didn't fit because I bought a too big one. So next time you go to the store, make sure to get one that fits the filter so that you're able to take it off, because I had to struggle for a while.
Another filter. Go here. As you can see, this is kind of like this. And then you can move your hands or the little thing.
So as you can see, I was able to take the old filter off, and now I'm placing the new one.
Is that working? That? I think it is. Okay, I got it. There you go. So do rotate it, tighten it up until it's true. Yep. Ta-da! Guys, we did it. That's it.
No, ahora tiene que poner el tornillo para atrás.
Okay, never mind. I forgot what screw. So now we take. Remember the screw right here.
Esta es la llave que está usando. Vamos con la mano y después la aprieta con él.
Okay, it's not working. Make sure it's tight. Well, okay. There we go. Now we are totally finished. Now we have to. Uh-huh. Yeah, doesn't move anymore. Now I'm gonna put new oil in it and then leave that. I'm gonna leave this right here to make sure if there is any leaks on it. You're como que.
This one is a Mobil oil 5W30. Check what your car tells you in the manual, what oil it requires. Usually it will tell you in the cap. So if you come here, what it tells you there?
Tells me
5W20. So because Victoria car already have more than 30,000 miles, we went to 5W30 instead of 20. It's a little more dense. So you're gonna get a funnel,
which is where I put it. Right here. I'm gonna cut that part of the video. And then let's see. I'm gonna go here. Oh, that's where you were talking about. Okay, makes sense. Okay.
So Victoria's car takes 4 quarters. If you see here, it tells you this gallon has 4 liters. This one has 5 liters. So we're gonna be up to here, to that mark. Measure it, a little more to go. Yeah, right, good, right on.
Yep, that's good. I'm gonna take this out.
Put the cap on. And now you go down and check that there is no leaks in the screw that is on down there.
Nicely done, Victoria, and that.
Okay. Where's the oil filter? ¿No?
Get it.
¿Eso es? Yeah, para que suelte. Tú levanta un poquito aquí.
So you lift it up a little bit, and then remove it. Ooh. So the first thing you're gonna do to reset your oil change light, you press your brake and then your accelerator for a few seconds and get the key in. And you're gonna go 1. And I already did it. So you're gonna leave it there pressing for a few seconds and it should reset automatically when you do that. Yeah, that's good. You should definitely do, like, don't forget, is to take your oil to the auto shop and they will recycle it for you. You just take them there, they will take out the oil that's inside of here and they will give you a container bag and recycle it properly.
We're just inside.
What are we waiting for?
We're doing the dab.
Dad.
The dab.
We're waiting for oil recycling.
And also the dab. Also the dab.